To make your small booklet with a 1 sheet of 12 by 18 paper, you're first going to fold it in half hot dog style. Make sure you crease the edge. Then you're going to fold it in half again. Be sure to crease the center fold and line up your edges really well. You can use your nail to crease it well. After that, you're going to fold it in half one more time. This one's the most difficult fold since it's so many layers of paper. Make sure that you smooth down that fold. If you need to use a nail, your nail, or another object, that should work just fine. And then once you have done that and it has a nice crisp fold, you're going to open it back up. On the folded side, you are going to cut the middle to a very thin line of paper just to relieve some of the bulk at the top of the book. This will help the fold of the book go more smoothly. And then watch carefully as I fold the book together. Make sure you press your paper together and crease the edges for your book.